Alright, hey YouTube, this is Landon the Hunter, and I'm going to be reviewing my Ozark Trail fork spoon unitool and my Coleman drill fork spoon unitool and my ALTOIDS fire starting kit. Alright, first is my ALTOIDS fire starting tin. My components are a big lighter, a magnesium striker. You shave with your knife magnesium off of this end, and then you strike it with this end, and as a whole it's not combustible, but the tiny shavings are combustible, so when you strike this, it lights on fire. Next is just some steel wool. I got 2 pieces of that, pretty big in there. And then I've got a bunch of people get waterproof, but I just got regular matches. And then some striker pads right here. And that pretty much does it for my ALTOIDS fire starting tin. Alright, I'm going to do a kind of comparison / review on the both of these. I think first I'm going to review the Ozark Trail fork spoon combo unitool, and then the Coleman grill brand. Hopefully y'all like that pretty well. First, the durability. As far as durability goes, the Ozark Trail is all metal, and on this one, the Coleman grill, it's got plastic sides, so it's your decision. I don't think that makes much of a difference, but anyways, to open up the the Ozark Trail one, all you have to do is flip it open, and then pull apart, and you have a spoon, a fork, and then you have a knife on the end of the spoon, as y'all can see, and you have some sort of probably a leather punch, or a punch to punch holes with, and any cloth or something, or maybe even to help untie knots, and paracord or something. That's the spoon part, and then you have on the fork, you have a bottle top opener, and a corkscrew. One thing about this one is when you're putting it together, this one you just put it in, and sometimes it's kind of hard to do because you have to push down on both sides pretty hard, and then you fold down the spoon and the fork. But on this one, the Coleman grill one, it's a little more compact, but you fold out the fork, then you fold out the spoon, and I mean, it's stuck together. On this one, you push inwards and then pull out. As far as that goes, it'd probably be better for that reason, because if you open up the spoon and the fork on the other one, and you don't want to, you're in a situation where you don't want to lose anything, that one will fall apart, and this one will stay together. I reckon that's a pretty good upside to this one. But this one has less tools. It's got only the pocket knife, and show you both sides, and the bottle top opener. It is smaller, has plastic handles, but the upside is stays together better, and it's more compact. So either one's really a pretty decent choice in my opinion. But if you are going for that metal, nice quality spoon and fork instead of having to carry some piece of plastic to the woods with you, they are obviously reusable. Stainless steel, I do believe both of them are stainless steel. And one thing is, for digging, you can use the spoon. That is another good thing. It is very multi-purpose, and I figured out on either one of them, the bottle cap opener you can use to bust open a can of soup. That's pretty neat. And on this one, for the little puncher, you could probably, you see what I'm saying. Pretty nice little handheld something if you were like being attacked by something, I guess, and you wasn't able to get to the knife part of it. You could use that little punch, just right there in between your fingers. They both have clips to use to hang on your belt. Pretty neat. I guess that about covers it. The Ozark Trail spoon fork utility combo and the Coleman Grill spoon fork utility combo. Thanks for watching. Please comment and subscribe, and have a nice day.